ready? Are you ready? नंगू की कहानी, नंगू की जवानी. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. Are you ready for that? आप लोग रेडी हैं कहानी सुनने के लिए? क्या होता है आगे? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. Yes, yes, yes. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. Excellent, excellent, excellent. चलिए चलिए, good 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 good. Ready हैं, ready हैं. Good morning everyone, good morning everyone. So those who are coming first time for my class, my friends, we are discussing pressure measurement. We have discussed the part one where we have discussed piezometer and YouTube manometer. Now we are going to discuss the single column manometer, and I'm telling you, my friend, generally the people are asking questions in GATE exam or engineering services examination from this particular part of pressure measurement. So whatever the drawbacks, whatever the drawbacks were for piezometer, those were removed by YouTube manometer. Now YouTube manometer is having one drawback that when we are taking the readings for gauge pressure, positive gauge pressure, one reading is coming on left limb, another reading is coming on right limb. Let us see how the single column manometer are going to remove this particular problem. चलिए, हैप्पी बर्थडे नंगू, हैप्पी बर्थडे नंगू. ओके ओके ओके, चलिए चलिए. Those who are coming first time for my class, my name is Devendra Singh Negi and I'm GATE All India Rank 1 2019-2020 in the English Sciences paper. I completed my MTech from IIT Bombay. I was the topper of my batch. I'm teaching for GATE and ESE since 8 years. The subject which I'm teaching are thermodynamics, ATD, fluid mechanics, hydraulic machines and heat transfer. चलिए, this is my rank on Unacademy Plus in GATE and ESE category. I'm the rank 11th educator in GATE and ESE category, having more than 2 million watch minutes, more than 2. Oh my God, it is now 3,000 रे बाबा. ये तो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. It is now 3K. Now I'm having 3,000 followers and more than 1,000 dedication. So if you want to see the feedback of the student, the kind of love and affection they are showing, you can go to the dedication section and you can see what people are writing actually. Okay, okay. Nangu ready, Nangu ready. Chaliye, chaliye, chaliye. Those who want to join Unacademy Plus, let me tell you now, the things are very streamlined. Things are very systematic. Those who are in third semester, for them, we are running the separate batch, Explore batch for third semester. Those who are in fifth semester, we are running separate batch, Explore batch for semester fifth. What are we going to do over here? We will be running the subjects as per your academic. Like in fifth semester, you are having heat transfer. I am going to start the heat transfer for you people. Miss and GATE and ESC people, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Those who are in final year, those who are the passed out students, if they are looking for good rank in 2021, immediately contact me. I will be telling you the strategy for preparing for GATE exam or English examination in 6 months. And don't think that GATE 2021 will be getting postponed. There are very less chances because already IIT Bombay have released the website for GATE 2021. And this is the thing, my friends. I'm starting. So many people are asking, sir, what are the subjects you are going to start now? So, my friends, let me give you the details. I'm starting the heat transfer for Mission GATE and ESC batch, and I'm starting heat transfer separately for Explore batch of semester fifth also. Okay. Now, what are the things? Fluid mechanics, thermodynamics. I'm starting in rank improvement batch. Aajaao re baba, aajaao. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the schedule of Jhamajham Fluidy Sunday. First class is over. Now we are in this class. Very soon, 3, 4, 5 classes will be over. And if required, I will take 2 more classes if the attendance is good. Yes, 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 Santan. Now, now, now. Now, my Pritam Pyare came to me. Sir, these industry people are beating me like anything. They are asking, give us the solution of this. We cannot afford Changu and Mangu simultaneously. We are fed up with them. Then this person, my friend Pritam Pyare came to me. My student Pritam Pyare came to me and he requested me, sir, can you give some solution? Then I told, wait for 1 minute, wait for 1 hour, wait for 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Yes, yes, yes. You start using vertical single column manometer. Sir, what is this vertical single column manometer? Wait, Pritam Pyare, I will be telling you. No problem. Listen carefully. What you do is what I advise him. I will be telling you what I advised him. Look at here. Look at here. I told him, look, Pritam Pyare. Look, Pritam Pyare. Look, Pritam Pyare. This is your YouTube. Pritam Pyare, this is your YouTube manometer. Yes. Okay, now look at here. I told him this is your YouTube manometer. You do one thing, you cut this left part, you cut this left part, you cut this left part, and connect one big reservoir, and connect one big reservoir, connect one big reservoir. Now he is asking me, sir, what will happen with this? I told him, wait re baba, Pritam Pyare, I will be telling you what will happen because of this. Don't worry. And whatever I'm saying, you do this, you do this, you do this. What you do, you cut this left limb one part, you cut in between, and you cut one and you put one big reservoir over there. Yes, yes, yes. तो देखो उसके पास ऐसा कुछ आ गया. I hope you are getting now how the vertical single column manometer looks like. अब देखो ध्यान से. He is having, this is the initial level. This is the initial level of manometric fluid in both limbs. This is the initial level of manometric fluid in both limbs. So this is the manometric fluid which is at equal level in both limbs. Both limbs means, of course, on the right hand side limb and in the reservoir, in the big reservoir, in the big reservoir. The moment I'm saying, the moment I'm using the word, the moment I'm using the term reservoir, the moment I'm using the term reservoir, what is the meaning of this? Let me say the area of this reservoir is A. Let me say area of this right side YouTube right limb is small a. Then what I'm trying to tell you is A is very small as compared to capital A. Small a is very small as compared to capital A. What is small a? That also I will be telling you. Look at here, my friends. Look at here. Let me say this diameter is D. Then small a will be equal to pi by 4 small d square. Fine. It can be anything. It can be anything. I'm assuming I'm having cylindrical right limb. So it will be pi by 4 d square. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. From here, the concept will start. Look at here. Let me say this distance is x. Let me say this distance is x. So when we are manufacturing, whenever we are making this vertical single column manometer, we are aware of this x. अरे ये तो आपको पता है. This initial level, you know. This initial level, you know. Once you know this initial level, 100% you can easily measure how much will be the x. So x is fixed. Remember one thing, whatever I'm saying, x is fixed. X is not variable. This x is the distance of the top level from the manometric fluid level in the reservoir. So this x is fixed. Don't worry about x, my friends. Don't worry about x. This x is fixed. Now let us see how are we going to measure. Let us see how are we going to measure the gauge pressure with the help of this vertical single column manometer. तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? Let us try to attach this vertical single column manometer to the pipeline. तो देखो पाइपलाइन पे अटैच किया तो ऐसा हो गया. पाइपलाइन पर अटैच किया तो ऐसा हो गया. Listen carefully whatever I'm saying. Listen carefully what I'm saying. This is the initial level. This is the initial level of the manometric fluid. I will be asking you one question. From here. You have to answer me carefully. मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला हूं. Please answer me carefully. Whatever I'm asking, please answer carefully. Let us suppose I'm talking about gauge pressure, positive gauge pressure. The fluid which is flowing in the pipe. Let me say the fluid which is flowing in the pipe, it is having pressure P. Let us suppose the fluid which is flowing in pipe, it is having pressure P. And let me say from here, I'm having local atmospheric pressure. My question is very simple. If P is greater than P ATM local, what will happen to the manometric fluid in right limb? Bolo re baba, what will happen to the manometric fluid in right limb? What will happen to the manometric fluid in right limb? It will rise or it will fall. It will rise or it will fall. Yes, it will. One student is saying fall. Are baba, P is greater. Here, the pressure is more. So on right limb, it will rise. 100%. The manometric fluid in the right limb will rise. तो ये rise कर गया. Let's suppose it is rise, and let me say this rise is h. Let me say this rise is h. Fine, fine. Now listen carefully. What will happen to the level of manometric fluid in reservoir? रिजर्वायर में क्या होगा रे बाबा? What will happen in the reservoir? What will happen in the reservoir? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, रिजर्वायर में क्या होगा? Yes, there will be some fall. There will be some fall. There will be some fall. Let me say the new level is like this. Yes, there will be some fall. And let me say, ध्यान से देखना बेटा. Listen carefully. I hope you are able to recollect. I hope you are able to recollect. This distance was x. This distance was x. I hope you are able to recollect. This distance was x, which is fixed from the initial level I'm taking. And I hope you are able to recollect. This is x. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully, my friends. ध्यान से सुन लेना. ध्यान से सुन लेना. The manometric fluid will be now like this. The manometric fluid will be now this. In this final position, when the when the vertical single column manometer is getting attached, when the vertical single column manometer is getting attached to the pipeline, what is happening on the right limb? The manometric fluid is rising, whereas in case of left side reservoir, manometric fluid is falling. Little fall, we will see that. And of course, now what will happen? Here I will be having this flowing fluid. Here I will be having this flowing fluid. यहां पर क्या होगा? आपके पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये flowing fluid ही होगा. Now you'll be having this flowing fluid only. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. Please try to understand what I'm saying. Please try to understand what I'm saying. I want to measure what is the value of gauge pressure. So I have to draw one reference plane. Anyone in the class where the reference plane will come, beta? Where the reference plane will come? Where the reference plane will come? Yes. Yes, it will be somewhere here. Yes, it will be somewhere here. It will be somewhere here. Yes, this is your reference plane. This is your reference plane. अब मुझे एक चीज बताओ. Now you tell me one thing. Now you tell me one thing. Can you tell me whatever the volume rise I'm having? Look at here. This manometric fluid rise is taking place. What is the relation between this volume rise and this volume fall from the initial level? What will be the relation between this volume rise from the initial level and this volume fall from initial level? They will be same. They will be equal. They will be equal. They will be equal. Yes. So volume rise is equal to volume fall. What is the volume rise? What is the volume rise? Small a into h. What is the volume fall? What is the volume fall? Capital A. This reservoir is having cross section area capital A into what? इसको x की जगह ये तो डेल्टा h है ना बाबा. This is delta h. Capital A into delta h. Now can I say from here one thing? Can I say delta small h is equal to what? Delta small h is equal to what? Small a divided by what? Capital A into h. Now can I say one thing? Small a is very less as compared to capital A. Can I say small a is very less as compared to capital A? बोलो रे बाबा. Can I say? Yes. Excellent. Beautiful student. I want everyone to type. That means 100% delta h will be very small as compared to h. तो आपको एक चीज तो डायग्राम से समझ में आ गई होगी कि मैंने कुछ ऐसा क्यों बनाया. Now are you clear why I have represented this delta h as very small? Why this delta h I have represented very small as compared to this h in the diagram? Is it clear now? Yes. लेफ्ट लिम्ब में क्यों नहीं फॉल किया? अरे बाबा दिस इज रिजर्वायर ना. रिजर्वायर मतलब बहुत बड़ा रिजर्वायर होता है रे बाबा. बहुत बड़ा रिजर्वायर जिसका एरिया बहुत ज्यादा है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. एरिया इज वेरी लार्ज. व्हेन एरिया इज वेरी लार्ज आई हैव प्रूव्ड मैथमेटिकली डेल्टा एच विल बी वेरी स्मॉल एज कंपेयर्ड टू एच. किसने बोला नहीं फॉल किया? फॉल किया है बट दिस फॉल इज वेरी नेग्लिजिबल. नेग्लिजिबल. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. अब ध्यान से सुन लेना. Now I'm taking 2 points. I'm taking 1 point in this reservoir at the interface. I'm taking 1 point in this reservoir at the interface. I'm taking another point here on the right limb. if the pressure at point 1 is P1, if the pressure at point 2 is P2, what will be the relation between P1 and P2? What will be the relation between P1 and P2? P1 और P2 के बीच में क्या relation होगा? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. Yes, they will be equal. They will be equal. They will be equal. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful students. Yes, they will be equal. So I can write P1 is equal to P2. Anyone in the class can tell me, anyone in the class can tell me what will be P1. Bolo re baba, what will be P1? Think carefully and answer me. What will be P1? Look at here, pressure is P here, pressure will be P here. Pressure because of this column of the flowing fluid. I have told you clearly, we will be taking the density of the flowing fluid as rho f. We will be taking the density of the flowing fluid as rho f. We will be taking the density of the manometric fluid as rho m. So bolo P1 will be equal. Are baba. No. P1 will be equal to what? Tell me clearly. Tell me clearly. P1 will be equal to what? P1 will be equal to what? Bolo re baba. P1 will be equal to what? P1 will be equal to P plus pressure due to this column up to 1. So what is the length of this column of the flowing fluid up to point 1? X plus delta h. X plus, don't neglect delta h right now. We will see later on. So P1 is equal to what? P plus rho f g x plus delta h. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me what will be P2. P2 क्या होगा रे बाबा? What will be the P2? Can you tell me what will be the P2? P2 will be what? RF P ATM local. This is P ATM local plus what? Rho m G H plus how much? H plus how much? Excellent. Yes. Are baba, I am asking how much will be P2? P2 will be equal to P ATM local plus pressure due to this length of the manometric fluid. So how much is the length of this manometric fluid? H plus delta H. So what I'm getting is P ATM local plus what? Rho m G H plus delta H. So if I want to find gauge pressure will be what? P minus P ATM local. P minus P ATM local will be equal to what? Bolo re baba. These questions they are asking in GATE exam, so be careful. Engineering service exam, GATE exam में पूछते हैं, so please be careful. So P minus P ATM local is equal to what? Rho m G H plus delta H minus what? Rho f G X plus delta H. So gauge pressure, if you want to see the exact reading of the gauge pressure, rho m G H plus delta H minus rho f G X plus delta H. I hope this is the exact reading of the gauge pressure, which everyone is clear. I hope everyone is clear with this exact reading. But in industry, they are not following this. They are saying we are happy with little bit of errors, no problem. But we want only Nangu to work. We don't want any Changu Mangu. Then again Pritam Pyare came to me, sir, they want only one person to work. Then I told Pritam Pyare, you go and you tell them neglect delta H. Delta H is already very small na. So neglecting delta H. जैसे ही delta H को neglect किया, what is the gauge pressure reading now? Rho mgh minus what? Rho fgx. They are neglecting delta H. The moment they are neglecting delta H, I am getting like this. Now they are very happy. Can you tell me, for measuring the approximate gauge pressure, what is the only reading required? Bolo re baba. X is already known re baba. X already you know. You need only and only one reading. There is only one reading. There is only single reading. I need, already you know X. You need to take the reading of H only. अब क्या किया उन्होंने? Changu Mangu, go to hell. We don't care about you. आप जाओ, हमने नया हायर कर लिया है लॉयल नंगू. वी हैव हायर्ड लॉयल नंगू. Now what Loyal Nangu is doing? Loyal Nangu is just seeing this reading. Loyal Nangu is just seeing reading. This reading he is substituting here and he is telling what is the PZ dash. Yes, यहां से नंगू का बर्थ हो गया रे बाबा, नंगू का बर्थ हो गया. अब ध्यान से सुनो, what is this device? इसका नाम क्या था बेटा? Vertical single column manometer. I hope you are able to understand why are we saying single column manometer. Why are we saying single column manometer? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Why are we saying single column manometer? Why are we using this term single column manometer? Because the reading is coming only on single column. Because reading is coming only on single column, which is this one, which is this one, which is this one. For positive gauge pressure, reading is coming only on single column, which is this one. Why are we saying vertical single column? Why are we saying vertical single column? Anyone in the class, why are we saying only vertical single column? Because the single column where the reading is coming, it is vertical. Because the single column where the reading is coming, it is vertical. That's why we are saying vertical single column manometer. Are bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Bolo, bolo, bolo. Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? Yes. Jama jam, jama jam, jama jam. Jama jam, jama jam, jama jam clear sir. Jama jam clear sir. Jama jam clear sir. Excellent, excellent, excellent. अब क्या हुआ? जैसे ही प्रीतम प्यारे ने बोला, द मोमेंट प्रीतम प्यारे टोल्ड टू द इंडस्ट्री पीपल, सर यू विल बी गेटिंग सम स्मॉल एरर. You can hire Nangu only, but you will be getting some small error. इंडस्ट्री वालों को थोड़ा डाउट हो गया. स्मॉल एरर मीन्स व्हाट? प्रीतम प्यारे, स्मॉल एरर मीन्स व्हाट? हाउ मच एरर? हाउ मच एरर? I don't know anything. He came runningly to me. He came, Negi sir, they are asking. Negi sir, they are asking how much error. What can I say? Then I told, no problem, Pritam Pyare. Give me 1 hour. Give me 1 hour. I will be telling you how much percentage error. I started thinking, yes, Pritam Pyare. The solution came. How to find the percentage error, Pritam Pyare? I will be telling you. You just tell the same thing to them. तो कैसे निकालेंगे percentage error? बेटा देखो, how much will be the error? Better you are, Negi sir. Why? Yes. So देखो, how much is the error? बेटा error कितना होगा? Error is actual gauge pressure. If you see, error will be how much? Actual gauge pressure minus approximate gauge pressure. Okay, how much is the actual gauge pressure? Rho m G H plus delta H, rho m G H plus delta H minus rho F G X plus delta H. This is the actual gauge pressure minus what? Approximate gauge pressure. Rho m G H minus rho F G X. This is the approximate gauge pressure. So of course we can easily calculate how much is the error. How much will be the error, my friends? How much will be the error? Can you tell me how much will be the error? Array. This will be getting cancelled. This complete will be getting cancelled with this X and H only. So what I'm getting? Error is equal to rho mg delta H minus rho f g delta H. So the error is how much? Rho m minus rho f g delta H. Now if you want to find percentage error, देखो percentage error कैसे निकलेगा? Error divided by what? Error is how much? Rho m minus rho f g delta H, rho m minus rho f g delta H divided by what? Actual reading. How much is the actual reading? Rho m g H plus delta H, rho m g H plus delta H minus rho f g X plus delta H into how much? Arey baba, bolo re baba. Into how much? Bolo re baba. Into how much? Into 100. and that's how you are finding the percentage error. That's how you are finding the percentage error. I hope everyone is clear with this. This is the exact value of percentage error. This is the exact value of percentage error. अब ध्यान से सुन लेना बेटा, ध्यान से सुन लेना. Look at here. Look at here. I'm giving you one beautiful observation. I'm giving you beautiful observation. Now look at here. Let us suppose, देखो. Now listen carefully. Whatever the fluid is flowing, it can be liquid, it can be gas also. Na, whatever the liquid is flowing, whatever the fluid is flowing, whatever the fluid is flowing, it can be either liquid or it can be gas also. Now listen carefully. I want to, अरे हारून आ गया रे बाबा, हारून. अरे रे बहुत दिनों बाद आए हारून. आप तो ईद का चांद हो गए थे रे बाबा. मेरा प्लस का स्टूडेंट है, कहाँ खो गया था रे बाबा? ये कहाँ खो गया था? आज तो नंगू को देखने के लिए हारून भी आ गया रे बाबा. हारून भी आ गया रे बाबा. चलो चलो, लिसन. आई एम बैक. अरे बाप रे बाप, इतने प्लस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं अभी क्लास में. मुझे मतलब समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलूं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा. इन लोगों को संडे वनडे को कोई काम ही नहीं है. इनको कोई काम ही नहीं है. नेगी सर की क्लास हो रही है, घुस जाओ क्लास में, घुस जाओ. जो होगा, कुछ होगा नहीं होगा, एंजॉयमेंट तो होगा, एंटरटेनमेंट तो होगा. मतलब प्लस के बच्चे को ये नेगी सर की क्लास में घुस जाओ, कुछ हो ना हो, एंटरटेनमेंट झमाझम मजा तो आएगा. आई कांट वेट एनी मोर. चलो, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. Let us suppose flowing fluid is gas. Now look at here. If flowing fluid is gas, if flowing fluid is gas, तब क्या होगा? ध्यान से देख लेना. If flowing fluid is gas, my friends, I hope you are able to understand one thing. Gas will be having very less density. क्या मैं बोल सकता हूं? जो गैस अगर फ्लो हो रही है तो गैस का डेंसिटी तो बहुत कम होता है. Yes, density is very small. If you see, the density of the gas is very small as compared to liquid, and that too if I compare with a manometric fluid, or a manometric fluid is having very high jhamajham density. So 100% I can say one thing: density of the flowing fluid will be very small as compared to density of the manometric fluid. अब ध्यान से देखना. Then what will be the value of percentage error, beta? What will be the value of percentage error then? If density of the flowing fluid is negligible as compared to density of the manometric fluid, then this part can be neglected, rho m minus rho f. So this part can be getting neglected, so the percentage error will be simplified in this format. If you see, percentage error will be simplified in this format. Rho m minus rho f is getting neglected, rho m g delta h. बोलो रे बाबा, समझ में आ रहा है? Rho m g delta h divided by what? Rho m g h plus delta h. Rho m g h plus delta h. You can observe one beautiful thing. Look at here. Since flowing fluid is gas will be having very negligible density if I compare with the rho m manometric fluid density. So this is getting neglected, so I'm getting rho m g delta h, rho m g h plus delta h. So what is happening here? Rho m g is getting cancelled. So the percentage error is how much? Percentage error I'm getting as delta h divided by h plus delta h. And this formula of percentage error for the gas is almost exact. This is, I will say, almost exact. Now I can do one more thing. Please understand. I can do one more thing. Let us suppose I can write one more thing. Delta h is very small as compared to h. So if I neglect this delta h here, then I will be getting the approximate error. So what will be the formula of percentage approximate error? Oh my god, delta h. अरे 100 कहाँ चला गया रे बाबा? ये 100 कहाँ भाग गया रे बाबा? 100 कहाँ छोड़ गए? अरे ये 100 कहाँ छोड़ गया भाई हम लोगों को? ये 100 कहाँ छोड़ के चला गया भाई हम लोगों को? नो. आ जा रे बाबा 100 वापिस. आपको तो आना ही पड़ेगा. आपको तो आना ही पड़ेगा, आपके बिना गाड़ी कैसे चलेगी। बच्चों को मैक्सिमम मार्क्स तो पता होने चाहिए, आपकी तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस है। यस 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 यस। oh my god, look at here now, please observe, percentage error will become what? Delta h divided by h into 100. Yes, I'm not saying this is correct, this is accurate, this is exact, but this is the formula of approximate error. अभी ध्यान से सुन लो, क्यों बता रहा हूं मैं। अरे look at here, why I'm saying this, look at here, I have told you one thing, I don't know how many of you remember. Can I write a delta h is equal to what? A into small delta h is equal to what? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba, this is equal to what? This is equal to what? This is equal to what? Yes, yes, volume. Can I write small a into small h? So what is the value of delta small h by h? What is the value of delta small h by h? Anyone in the class? Anyone in the class? This will be equal to what? This will be equal to what? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. This will be equal to what? This will be equal to small a divided by what? Capital A. So can I say percentage error? Can I say percentage error is equal to what? Bolo re baba. Oh my God. Oh my God. अरे रे 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 रे, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया। एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेंगे, आपको समझ में आ रहा है। एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेंगे, आपको स्मॉल ए दे दिया, आपको कैपिटल ए दे दिया, एंड दे विल बी आस्किंग यू इफ द फ्लोइंग फ्लूइड इज गैस, हाउ मच विल बी द परसेंटेज एरर इन द रीडिंग, हाउ मच विल बी द परसेंटेज एरर इन द रीडिंग। आपको अगर ये चीज नहीं पता है तो हवा भी नहीं लगेगी। आई होप नाउ यू आर क्लियर। If they are asking, if they are asking one thing, let us suppose I am having some single column manometer, and in this single column manometer, this single column manometer is connected to some pipe where some gas is flowing. Now let us suppose I am taking the measurement, and measurement of the gauge pressure, there will be some error 100%. Can you tell us what will be the value of approximate error if they are giving you small a and capital A, or a small a by capital A into 100 will be giving you the approximate error? And this question has been asked in GATE exam. दिस क्वेश्चन हैज बीन आस्क्ड इन गेट एग्जाम। ये क्वेश्चन गेट में ऑलरेडी पूछा जा चुका है, और किसी को समझ में, अरे क्या करे कुछ तो दिया ही नहीं, स्मॉल ए कैपिटल ए क्या किया जाए, अरे यही तो करना था रे बाबा, यही तो करना था रे बाबा, स्मॉल ए बाय कैपिटल इनटू 100, बस इतना सा कॉन्सेप्ट था रे बाबा। लेकिन याद रखना, दिस इज वैलिड ओनली एंड ओनली इफ द फ्लोइंग फ्लूइड इज गैस। इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? झमाझम कॉन्सेप्ट, आर यू क्लियर? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, मजा 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 मजा, excellent excellent excellent, मजा 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 मजा, excellent excellent। Is it clear to everyone? बोलो रे बाबा, are you clear till here? Excellent excellent, very good very good। ओहो, फुल एंटरटेनमेंट है रे बाबा, आज तो फुल एंटरटेनमेंट। देखो, लोग बोलते हैं प्रेशर मेजरमेंट बहुत बोरिंग टॉपिक होता है सर, इसमें तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, इसमें समझना क्या है, इसमें तो बस डायग्राम बनाओ, इक्वेशन लिखो। देखो, आपको एक एक चीज पूरा डिटेल में बता रहा हूं रे बाबा, एक एक चीज पूरा डिटेल में बता रहा हूं आपको। नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, चले आगे। माइंड ब्लोइंग, चलो चले आगे, चलो आगे, चलो। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट वर्टिकल सिंगल कॉलम मैनोमीटर। अब डिस्कस करते हैं दूसरी चीज, इंक्लाइंड सिंगल कॉलम मैनोमीटर। सर, ये इंक्लाइंड सिंगल मैनोमीटर में क्या होता है, इंक्लाइंड सिंगल कॉलम मैनोमीटर में क्या होता है, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू। आई होप यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द डायग्राम, आई होप यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द डायग्राम। द कॉलम, द राइट limb which was vertical earlier, the right limb which was vertical earlier, now it has been inclined। अभी इसको क्या कर दिया हम लोगों ने, इंक्लाइन कर दिया है। earlier this right side limb was vertical, now it is inclined, and let me say the angle of inclination with the horizontal is theta। let me say the angle of inclination, अरे बाबा छोड़ दो रे बाबा पेन, this is theta। okay, now look at here, now look at here। yes, now let me say I'm having the manometric fluid filled maybe something like this। so this is the initial level of the manometric fluid, this is the initial level of the manometric fluid, fine। this is the initial level of the manometric fluid। so you can observe your manometric fluid will be like this, you can observe your manometric fluid will be like this in both the limbs, fine। it will be like this, it will be like this, it will be like this, it equal level, my friends, equal level. Can you tell me? How much will be this? Are bolo re baba, how much will be this? How much will be this? I have taken earlier. Are bolo re baba, how much will be this? This is how much. This is how much. This is X. This is X. This is X. And you know now, this is what? This is what? This is already fixed. This is already fixed. This is already fixed. Now let us suppose I'm connecting this inclined single column manometer to the pipeline. Yes. Now let us suppose इसको कनेक्ट करते हैं हम लोग किसी पाइपलाइन से. तो देखो कुछ ऐसा कनेक्ट होगा. This is the pipeline we are having, and I have connected our inclined single column manometer to the pipeline. Now listen carefully. Let me say in this pipeline there is some fluid which is flowing, and let me say this fluid is having pressure P. Let me say this fluid is having pressure P. Of course from here the local atmospheric pressure will be acting. There is no doubt. PATM local will be acting from here. Now look at here. What is going to happen? First let me see how the initial level was earlier. Initial level was maybe something like this. Earlier it was maybe something like this. Now what will happen? Please observe, this is the initial level. Now of course you know what is going to happen. You know now what is going to happen, my friends. 100% there will be some rise. 100% there will be some rise of the manometric fluid on right side inclined lip. यहाँ पर कुछ rise हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर कुछ rise हो जाएगा, and 100% there will be some fall. There will be some fall over here. यहाँ पर कुछ तो fall हो जाएगा. Now let me say situation is like this. यहाँ पर on the left side reservoir there is some fall. On the right inclined lip there is some rise. I will be taking the distances also. Don't worry, beta. This is the manometric fluid. Whenever I'm drawing with red ink, you must be able to understand I'm talking about the manometric fluid. This is the red color manometric fluid, and this is your flowing fluid, which will come up to here. Yes, it will come up to here. अब देखते जाना बेटा. Keep observing. Keep beautiful observations you will get. Keep observing carefully. Now you will come to know the concept. Why are we inclined the limb? I will be telling you. अब ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully first. Let me say this is H. Fine. Let me say this distance is L. Let me say this distance is L. Fine. Now let me say, you know na, अरे बाबा, how much is this? Can you tell me how much is this? ये कितना है रे बाबा? This is how much? बोलो रे बाबा. This is how much? This is X. This is how much? ये कितना है? This is how much? Let me say delta small h. Now I hope everyone is crystal clear. Where are we going to take the reference plane? हम लोग reference plane कहां पर लेंगे बेटा? Where are we going to take the reference plane? I hope everyone is clear. We will be taking the reference plane somewhere here. This is our reference plane. Yes, this is our reference plane. There is no doubt. This is our reference plane. Now listen carefully. Are you able to understand one thing? If I measure PZ, if I try to write the equations, can you observe? PZ will be coming same like this. Are vertical distance na. So PZ will be same. I will be taking 2 points. देखो ध्यान से. Listen carefully. I will be taking 1 point here. I will be taking another point here. 100% P1 is equal to P2. 100% P1 is equal to P2. If P1 is equal to P2, 100% I can write P1 is equal to what? P plus rho f g x plus delta h. And what will be P2? You tell me. For P2, you will be taking L or H. What will be P2? P2 कितना होगा? P2 कितना होगा? Do you think PT will be equal to PATM local plus rho m G L plus delta H? This is wrong. This is wrong. It won't be L plus delta H. L is the inclined length. You should not take the inclined length. So P2 will be equal to what? P2 will be equal to what? PATM local plus rho mg H plus delta H. So my friends, what I'm going to get is I will be getting PZ is equal to rho mg X plus delta H minus what? Rho FG H plus delta H. This is the exact measurement. Sir, difference क्या हुआ? I will be telling you the difference. Don't worry, beta. Don't worry. I think some एक minute. Here I think H will come. Here X will come, na? H plus delta H, X plus delta H. This is the exact reading. I'm not interested in this. Now देखो ध्यान से. Neglecting delta H. When I'm neglecting delta H, what will happen? What will be the value of PZ we will get? PZ will be equal to rho mg H minus rho FGX. Now look at here. The main difference is coming here. Are I'm not getting the reading in terms of H. Reading H में थोड़ी ना आ रही है. Whatever the reading you are measuring in terms of what? Are whatever the reading you are taking in terms of what? बोलो रे बाबा, type in chat box. Whatever the reading you people are taking in terms of H or in terms of L? You are taking in terms of L. What is the meaning of this? Try to understand. इसका मतलब समझ लीजिए. देखिए, I will be drawing the triangle for you people. आप एक बार triangle को देखो. Yes. This angle is theta. This is H. This is L. Anyone in the class, what will be sin theta, beta? What will be sin theta? Bolo re baba. Sin theta will be what? Bolo re baba. H by L. So H is equal to what? L sin theta. Now that means what? Here the change will come. PZ is equal to rho mg L sin theta minus rho FGX. Now this is the value of PZ dash which we are getting. Of course, there is some error. This is approximate, but in industry we are using this. Now can you tell me how many readings I need? How many readings I need for measuring the approximate gauge pressure? How many? Are baba, this X is fixed. Sin theta is also fixed. Are theta, this angle of inclination is fixed. So theta is fixed. When theta is fixed, sin theta is fixed. I need only one reading. I need only single reading. I hope you are able to understand. I need only single reading. And this single reading is coming on which limb? Bolo re baba. Vertical limb or inclined limb? किस limb पर आ रहा है? Vertical limb पर आ रहा है. Yes, that is the reason why such single column manometer is known as inclined single column manometer. Now you must be interested, sir. When we were already having vertical single column manometer, then why we came for this concept of inclined single column manometer? I will be telling you that history. I will be telling you this history. Yes, I will be telling you this history. What happened? Nangu started working, and you know, Nangu was performing like anything. Nangu was the top performer of the company. Nangu, take the reading. Hurriedly. Yes, sir, this is the reading. Nangu, take the reading. Hurriedly. Sir, this is the reading. Nangu was rocking like anything. Everyone knows Nangu is a loyal employee. He will not waste any time. Whatever the work you will do, you will give him, he will do, he will perform, he will take excellent reading. लेकिन क्या हो गया? When the gauge pressure were less, when the gauge pressures were less, Nangu was having some eyesight problem. When the gauge pressure was less, the reading were coming at very lesser height. When gauge pressure were less, here the rise were, this H value were very less. When H value were very less, Nangu was not able to see the readings properly. And here the drawback of Nangu came into the picture. He was having some eyesight problem. For big readings, no problem, he will take. Reading is 10 centimeter, yes. 10.5, yes Nangu. 9.5, yes Nangu is taking the reading. But when it is coming to very less values, maybe 5 mm, Nangu is not able to take the reading carefully. He's doing some error. He's doing some error. Then industry people again called Pritam. Pritam Pyare, you give us the solution for this. Nangu is okay. We are not having any problem. But Bechara Nangu is having eyesight problem. Do something for this. Then Pritam Pyare came to me. Negi sir, this is the problem. Vertical single column manometers, yes, it is very good. But when the gauge pressure is very small, this H value is very small. If this H value is very small, Nangu is not able to take the reading properly. Then I told him, Pritam Pyare, let me think for 1 hour. Give me 1 hour. Okay. Then I came. Pritam Pyare, we will do one thing. Sir, what? We will be inclining the vertical column. We will make it as inclined single column manometer. Pritam Pyare is asking me, sir, what will happen? Pritam Pyare, see it. I will be telling you. See it. I will be telling you. Why are we inclining? Why are we inclining this? Look at here, my friends. Look at here. Try to understand. Let us suppose. देखो ध्यान से. देखो ध्यान से बेटा. Let us suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let us suppose the reading is 5.1 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let me say this angle is 30 degree. So I hope you are able to understand. If this is 7 mm, if this is scale is of 7 mm, I'm taking the example. If this is scale of 7 mm, then 100%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 mm scale. 14 mm scale I will be getting here. Now, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Let us suppose Nangu is taking the reading of 3.1 mm. 3.1 mm. 1, 2, 3. 3.1 mm will come here. 3.1 mm reading will be coming here. Now, since look at here, actual reading is 3.1 mm. Actual reading is 3.1 mm. But Nangu is having eyesight problem, so he is reading this 3.1 mm as 3 mm. Nangu की eyesight problem की वजह से उसे ये 0.1 mm ढंग से दिखाई नहीं दिया. He told, sir, the reading is 3 mm. So how much is the error? How much is the error? How much is the error? Error कितना है? Actual reading is 3.1 mm. He is reading 3 mm. हाँ. So error is 0.1 mm. How much is the percentage error? How much is the percentage error? How much is the percentage error? 3.33% error. Now look at here. This 3.1 mm reading, I hope you are able to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. This 3.1 mm reading on inclined limb, it will become how much? 6.2 mm. It will become 6.2 mm na? Bolo re baba. Whatever the actual reading I am having as 3.1 mm on vertical single column manometer, on inclined single column manometer, how much will be this? 6.2 mm? Yes. Now Nangu is committing the mistake of 0.1 mm. So let us suppose Nangu is taking the reading and he is reading 6.1 mm. He has committed the mistake of 6.1 mm error, is reading 6.1 mm. Now how much is the error? हाँ 3.1 कर लो रे बाबा, 3.1 कर लो. Yes, 3.1, approximately 3.3 मान लो. Now how much is the error here? How much is the error committed by Nangu? Same error. But how much is the percentage error now? How much is the percentage error now? 1 point, let me say 5, 1.61. How much? 1.61. अरे डिवाइड कर दो ना रे बाबा 2 से, इसका आधा हो जाएगा. 3.3 का हाफ कितना होगा? 1.65 अप्रोक्सीमेटली. चलो मान लो ना, let me say approximately this much. So what is happening to the percentage error? Okay, लो exact लिख देता हूं. What is happening to the percentage error? What is happening to the percentage error? Percentage error is decreasing. Are Nangu is committing the same error. Nangu is committing the same error of 0.1 mm. But when I'm taking the reading in zoomed version, when I'm taking the reading in inclined version, what is happening? This error is getting minimized and it is decreasing. I hope you are able to understand now why are we having the concept of inclined single column manometer, so that the reading error, percentage reading error will decrease, so that percentage reading error will decrease, or in simple words I can say sensitivity of the manometer will increase. Sir, what is this sensitivity? Look at here. Sensitivity is directly proportional to the reading whatever we are taking. So I will be telling you, ध्यान से देखना. Sensitivity of inclined, if you see sensitivity of inclined column single column manometer divided by sensitivity of vertical single column manometer, that will be equal to basically L by H. Because in inclined single column manometer we are taking reading H, in vertical single column manometer we are taking reading H. Sorry, in inclined single column manometer we are taking the reading L, in vertical single column manometer we are taking the reading H. देखो क्या था? What was the relation between H and L? H is equal to L sin theta, or you can write sin theta is equal to how much? Sin theta is equal to how much? Sin theta is equal to how much? Sin theta is equal to H by L. If sin theta is equal to H by L, then what will be L by H? L by H is equal to 1 by sin theta. So that means sensitivity of inclined single column manometer divided by sensitivity of vertical single column manometer is equal to how much? Is equal to how much? 1 by sin theta. Tell me, 1 by sin theta will be more than 1 or less than 1? 1 by sin theta will be more than 1 or less than 1? Bolo re baba. 1 by sin theta will be more than 1 or less than 1? 1 by sin theta will be 100% more than 1. In the worst case, when it is vertical, it will become 1. For theta less than 90 degree, greater than 0 degree, it will be more than 1. That means sensitivity of inclined column manometer, single column manometer divided by sensitivity of vertical single column manometer will be always more than 1. That means sensitivity of inclined column manometer must be greater than the sensitivity of vertical single column manometer, and that is the reason we are inclining the vertical column. Yes, देखो, let us have some conclusions. Inclined single column manometer is used to measure low pressure. Using inclined limb, reading comes in terms of L, which is more than H, hence reading error decreases. Percentage reading error decreases, and sensitivity increases by 1 by sin theta. Sensitivity of manometer, देखो, there is another method also. If you are going to the interview, you can increase the sensitivity of manometer by what? Using the array. Look at here. What sensitivity is representing? It is directly proportional to what? It is representing the reading. So look at here, there is another option also na. What is that? What is happening? What is happening? Are you able to understand what is happening over here? The at very low pressure, this H becomes very small. Can I do one thing? Can I change the manometric fluid? Can I change the manometric fluid? Can I use the lighter density manometric fluid? If I'm using the lighter density manometric fluid, what will happen? The value of this deflection, the value of this H will increase. So this is another method. There are two methods of increasing the sensitivity. Are what is the meaning of increasing the sensitivity? I'm increasing this reading. I'm increasing the reading. I'm increasing the reading value. So one method is you incline the vertical single column. Another method is you change the manometric fluid. You will be able to get the higher reading. Arre bolo re baba. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Bolo re baba. Maja. Are you crystal clear with the concept of single column manometer also? Are you crystal clear with the concept of single column manometer also? Now look at here, we have discussed the piezometer, we have discussed the U-tube manometer, we have discussed the single column manometer, we have discussed the inclined vertical single column manometer, we have discussed the inclined single column manometer. Are you clear till here? आप करेंगे झमाझम problems in the evening. In the evening 4:30 session, I will be solving the problems. I will make sure you are able to understand all the problems. 3 p.m. we will discuss the differential U-tube manometers and inverted U-tube differential manometer. Yes, differential manometers भी सीखना है. बहुत क्वेश्चन आते हैं रे बाबा. From manometry, from this manometers, you will be having so many questions in GATE exam, engineering service examination. Today's class is very important. Today's class is very important. Today's class, I'm very happy. Till now, 150 plus students are live. If everything goes well, maybe at 6 p.m. Are you happy? Maybe at 6 p.m. I will be keeping the class of hydrostatic forces. But I request you, attendance maintain कर लेना. Attendance maintain कर लेना. Attendance maintain नहीं करोगे तो फिर मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Are you ready? Are you ready for the curved surfaces? YouTube पर करें, आपकी मर्जी है. आपकी मर्जी है. बोलो YouTube पे करना है कि यहाँ पे करना है? Where you want curved surfaces? Where you want curved surfaces? बोलो रे बाबा. Where you want curved surfaces? हाँ, अप्रूव सर को मैंने ही टाइम दिया था. अप्रूव सर की मेरे बीच में है ना 2 क्लासें, उस सर को मैंने ही टाइम दिया था. क्लास नहीं होना चाहिए ना. Where you want on YouTube? चलो, I will put the poll. If you want hydrostatic forces on curved surface to be discussed today here on Unacademy Learning app, type yes. Put yes. If you want on YouTube, put no. चलो, poll रखता हूं. पोल रखता हूं. yes for Unacademy Learning app, no for YouTube. साइन थीटा की वैल्यू देख लो ना सायंतन. व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ साइन थीटा 1 एट 90 डिग्री? तो उससे तो पहले साइन थीटा 1 से कम होता है ना बेटा. अगर 1 से कम होता है तो 1 बाय साइन थीटा ग्रेटर देन 1 हो जाएगा ना. चलो आई एम गेटिंग द पोल Unacademy 1. ओके ठीक है. चलो, वी विल सी. आई विल टेक योर ओपिनियन वन मोर टाइम. चलो, we will see. अगर अटेंडेंस मेंटेन रहती है, if at 2 o'clock we are having more than 200 students, definitely we will plan. Okay, 3 o'clock. Okay, चलो, देखो, this is down. This is also down. Now we will be meeting at 3 p.m. Then 4:30 p.m. Then 8 p.m. Okay, we will see the extra classes. Okay, understood? Oh my God. These are the batches which are running. जिनको भी Unacademy Plus ज्वाइन करना है, my friend, those who are planning to join Unacademy Plus, directly आ जाओ रे बाबा मेरी गाइडेंस में. So many students. Is there anyone live here who is my plus student? Is there anyone live here who is my plus student, Unacademy Plus student, who is under my guidance? Yes, Grishma is there, Sai Kiran is there. Are you happy with my guidance? Are you happy with my guidance? Is there anyone else? Is there anyone else? Nishant is there, Saikiran is there, Grisma is there. Yes, they are very happy, they are very happy. I'm telling you, I'm telling you one thing, I'm telling you. Yes, Hari is there, happy, 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 very happy, very happy. Negi 10 use karo, trust me. I'm telling you, 8 years of experience I'm having in teaching field. I will make sure you are getting the rank. You can see my energy, you can see my enthu for the students. You can see this much I am doing on for free classes. जो मेरी एनर्जी है इतना तो मैं यार फ्री क्लासेस पे कर रहा हूँ, यूट्यूब पे कर रहा हूँ, स्पेशल क्लासेस पे कर रहा हूँ. तो सोचो जो प्लस पे जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है नेगी 10 करके, उनके लिए कितना कुछ हो रहा होगा. तुरंत तुरंत विद इन 1 hour देयर डाउट्स आर गेटिंग रिजॉल्व. एवरी डे 1 to 1 hour they are calling me, they are whatever the problem they are having, they are calling me. यस 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 यस. चलो नेगी 10 यूज करो. जो थर्ड सेमेस्टर वाले एक्सप्लोर बैच ज्वाइन करेंगे, दोज हु आर इन फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर, दे विल बी जॉइनिंग एक्सप्लोर बैच फॉर सेमेस्टर 5. मिशन गेट एंड ईएससी is basically for 2021 and 22 gate aspirants who are passed out or who are college going students. Manas, I will discuss beta, I will discuss. गेट एंड ईएससी पर क्लिक करेंगे, गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन पर क्लिक करेंगे. This plan is for 2021 students, this plan is for 2022 students. And the moment you are using Negi 10, or a Negi 10 is not the code re baba, Negi 10 is not the code re baba. Negi 10 is an emotion. Negi 10 is an emotion which is connecting me and you. Negi 10 is an emotion which is connecting Negi sir with Negi soldiers. Negi 10 is an emotion which is connecting Jhamajam classes to Jhamajam learning. So use karo Negi 10 and come on Unacademy Plus. I will make sure you are getting the ranks. I will make sure you are getting the rank. जिनको भी एडमिशन लेना है, जिनको भी अनअकैडमी प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, आई एम टेलिंग यू आज ही ज्वाइन करेंगे इमीडिएटली. नाउ आई एम फ्री. 12:30 PM you will call me and I will be helping you. 12:30 12:40 तक आप मुझे कॉल कर लीजिए, मैं आपको हेल्प करता हूं. कहां पर कॉल करना है, कहां पर व्हाट्सएप करना है? माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर इज 8292244719. Don't worry बेटा, I will make sure you are getting every single penny paid. आपका जो single penny, every single penny will be getting justified. You come and join me and my team. Yes, Negi's gangster. Yes, yes, yes. ये देखो इतने बच्चे हैं, इतने बच्चे हैं. They are yes, yes, yes. Negi 10 is the code. कैसे पे करना सर इंस्टॉलमेंट में? अगर हम पे करना चाहते हैं, एनी क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड ऑफ एचडीएफसी बैंक, और मे बी इफ यू आर हैविंग this particular thing, but is Bajaj Finserv card you are having, you can pay. Yes, 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 you can pay. Now look at here, the moment you are using Negi 10, what is going to happen? You will be coming under direct guidance of mine, the person who is ranked 11th educator on Unacademy Plus within 3 months. There are so many people who are teaching from last 1 year, last 2 years. That's why they are on the top. I'm telling you, I came to rank 11 just within 3 months. Just within 3 months I came. And I'm telling you, today we will go to 10 also. Today we will go to 10 also. Yes, yes, within 100 days. Yes, Harun knows. Harun knows. Look at here. जैसे ही आप Negi 10 यूज करते हैं, क्या होने वाला है? आपको Unacademy Plus के स्टूडेंट्स का जो पर्सनल गाइडेंस ग्रुप है उसमें ऐड कर दिया जाएगा, डाउट सॉल्विंग ग्रुप में ऐड कर दिया जाएगा. आपको गाइडेंस मिलती है ना सिर्फ मेरी पूरी टीम की. माय कंप्लीट टीम विल बी गाइडिंग यू द मोमेंट यू आर यूजिंग Negi 10. तो आपको वो सोचना नहीं है. दिस इज द टीम व्हिच आई एम लीडिंग. टोटल 9 फैकल्टीज आर देयर इन द टीम. तो आपको कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है, आपको कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है. ओके ओके, दिस इज माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर, जहां पे आप कनेक्ट करेंगे 82922. अभी के अभी कनेक्ट करेंगे 44719. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. This is my calling number. You can call me on this number 9505474766. I will be telling you if you are writing your GATE exam in 2021, 6 महीने में कैसे प्रिपेयर करना with the help of Unacademy Plus. How to secure good rank within 6 months. I will be telling you. 6 months are more than enough. अगर आपके पास राइट गाइडेंस है तो आप 6 महीने में भी रैंक ला सकते हैं, बशर्ते आप रेडी हैं हार्ड वर्क करने के लिए. एंड आई विल बी हेल्पिंग यू. ओके, चलिए, मजा आया, मजा आया. आर यू एंजॉइंग? आर यू एंजॉइंग? अभी तक आपको मजा आ रहा है? आर यू एंजॉइंग झमाझम फ्लूडी संडे? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. आर यू एंजॉइंग? यस और नो, यस और नो? यस यस, वी आर एंजॉइंग. चित्रंजन आप तो आ जाओ बेटा जल्दी से. साइंतन भी तो मेरा प्लस. अरे ये देखो, कोई बोलता ही नहीं है. ऑल दीज आर माय प्लस स्टूडेंट्स ओनली. दिस डोंट का साई इज आल्सो माय प्लस स्टूडेंट. साइंतन इज आल्सो माय प्लस स्टूडेंट ओनली. हाँ, ग्रीष्मा, हाँ ये बोलता. हारून इज आल्सो माय प्लस स्टूडेंट ओनली. आ जाओ रे बाबा, आ जाओ रे बाबा, प्लस पर आ जाओ. वी विल एंजॉय द क्लासेस लाइक एनीथिंग। मैं बता रहा हूं आपको एक चीज, जब आप प्लस पर आएंगे तो आप किसी भी एडुकेटर की क्लास सुन सकते हैं। यू कैन लिसन द क्लास ऑफ एनी एडुकेटर वट एवर यू वांट, एंड आई विल बी गाइडिंग यू, आई विल बी सजेस्टिंग यू हाउ टू कंप्लीट योर सिलेबस इन अ वेरी इफेक्टिव वे। चलो, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। चलो बेटा, अपना थम्स अप थोड़ा ढंग से कर देना, प्लीज पुट योर थम्स अप केयरफुली, ओके। चलो, थैंक यू सो मच। जो लोग अभी आ रहे हैं बेटा, वी विल बी मीटिंग एट 3 PM नाउ। 3 PM वी विल मीट। थैंक यू सो मच बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच।